Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2000 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. It has 96,591 miles on it. Oil pressure right at 40 psi. This is the 345 horsepower LS1 engine. It's currently mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. We'll go ahead and rev it up here. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or project car. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.